Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to factory reset your Nintendo Switch 2. To factory reset it, go to the settings, then scroll down until you can find system at the very bottom, and also scroll down to the very bottom to clear data options. Now at the bottom you'll see restore factory settings, click on that. Scroll all the way down, then click on next. Click on next. Now wait a moment and click on the restore factory settings. And then wait until the factory reset finishes. Don't touch the power button. And now the system will turn off itself. Wait for half a minute, then press on the power button. So I'm gonna be back to you shortly in half a minute. Okay, now let's press on the power button. The device should turn itself on and you should be able to set it up now. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.